Hello students, this is a small video in which we will study how to suggest domain, range and codomain. Although domain suggestion is not a valid word because domain will be constant only and even range also. Only we have to suggest codomain is a question. This examples, these illustration is only for codomain. Domain range you can easily get it. Suppose what is the domain of R1? So I'll write it here. Domain, range, and suggesting like possible codomain. So if we'll talk about, and this is relation, okay, relations. These are the relations, and we'll get domain, we'll write range, and codomain we will suggest. Okay. Suppose for R1, what is the domain? Set of all first elements 1, 2, 3. This is the domain. So 1, 2, 3. I'll write it here. 1, 2, and 3. What will be the range of first house element? 1. In this there is an element 2. Right hand side elements 3. So I will write. So in this example, domain and range are equal. What should be the codomain? Codomain is any set which can be a superset of this range. Actually, how do we represent? We represent like this. If we consider for R1, this is arrow diagram. So this is domain 1, 2, 3, and this is the codomain. Okay, this is domain, this is codomain. Inside the codomain there is a range. Range can be equal to codomain also. So as per our conclusion, it is 1, 2, 3, and they have given the mapping also. You can do it 1 with 1, 1 with 2, 1 with 3. These all these things you can do it. But interesting part is that codomain can be still larger set than range. If you want, you can equate, you can collapse, coincide range and codomain. You can make this only codomain, no problem. But for a nice correct understanding, you should understand that codomain is a still larger set. So what can be the codomain? It can be a, say, another superset. So in general terms, suppose if I take codomain as set of natural numbers, then it will validate the entire condition. यहाँ पे सब 4, 5, 6 सब लोग आप ऐसा डैश करके देख सकते हो. तो on the right hand side set, out of all natural numbers, only first 3 natural numbers are in mapping, that you can see it. 2 with 1, 2 with 2, 2 with 3, 3 with 1, 3 with 2, 3 with 3. But in domain, you cannot have any superset or subset. Domain has to be a set which contains all those elements from the first house element. That is very sure. Okay. Now, the same way, codomain can be set of natural numbers. Then R2. R2, what is 1 element? I'll write the set. Okay. I'll start writing the set. 1. Second element is 2. Second ordered pair. Here only one element I can find it out. Then another element is 2, I can find it out. Okay, there are only 2 elements. In the first side, in the left hand side of the ordered pairs, I can find only 2 elements. One is 1 and another is 2. So I will write these two, 1, 2. So domain contains only 2 elements for R2. And what will be the range now? In the range, I can find out that second house elements. First ordered pair has 3, then 0, then 2. It is 2, children? Then 4, then 8. It's a pretty large number. 3, 0, 2, 4, 8. I will write it as a range. range elements 3, 0, 2, 4, 8. Order does not matter. Okay, this is the range. What codomain would you like to suggest for this particular thing? Can I suggest it as a whole number set? Because in whole numbers, or basically all natural numbers will all be there, and including 0. So a larger set, like if you want to show it in the form of arrow diagram, 1, 2, for R2 I am writing it, R2. This is domain and this is the codomain. We are taking codomain as W, and range inside it we are putting it range, and domain has only 2 elements, 1 and 2, right? 1 and 2 elements. And in the range there are actually how many elements in the range? We have as we have seen here, 3, 0, 2, 4, 8. There are 5 elements in the range. So I will write it here: 3, then 0, then 2, then 4, then 8. And all those mappings you can do it. It's not a big deal. Suppose 1 with 3, 1 with 0. I am showing it now. 1 with 3, 1 with 0. Then here 2 with 2, 2 with 4, and 2 with 8. So these are the mapping. So still this is the range. Okay, this is range. And codomain can be a still larger set than range. So you have to just manipulate, you have to think that what can be the codomain. Okay, so a set of all whole numbers could be a codomain, or you can manually write it a codomain as a set which contains these elements. Suppose you are writing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on and so forth till to 10, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this can be a codomain. But in general, if you want to write it, say for example standard sets, then you can have W as a codomain. So I have written W as a codomain. It's nothing wrong. It can be integers also. So like that, you can always you can suggest different domain elements and codomains. So it's, R3, R4 and R5, I am going to leave it for you as a homework. So R3, R4, R5, you only write it down. Okay children, I hope you understood what is the meaning of range, domain and codomain. Okay children.